Welcome to Ecom Ranks. Are you looking to integrate Google Analytics with your Shopify website? Then you are at right video. Just watch this tutorial from start to end, then you will know how to integrate Google Analytics. So first of all, you have to open a new tab and search for Google Analytics and hit the enter. After searching for it, there is the website link analytics.google.com. Okay, click on it, and after clicking on it, you have to login your Google account. Okay, after logging in, you will see this window. Welcome to Google Analytics. Okay, so click on start measuring, and here you can add any account name. So like I have this website TSMP Gallery, I will just add it name over here, TSMP Gallery. Okay, for this option, if you want to enable it, you can do it. I don't want to enable this option. You can read the details here. Okay, click on next, and then you have to give a property name. I will give a same name, TSMP Gallery. Okay, so this is my property name, this is my time zone, and this is my currency. Okay, if you live in any other city, you can select currency and a country according to your choice. Okay, so here it will ask some of the things related to your business. You can add any according to your business. Okay, so here I will select an option of shopping. If you have a shopping website, you can simply select shopping. Okay, how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? Measure customer engagements, optimize my sites. You can select all those options that you need. Okay, and click on create. You have to accept these agreements. After accepting all of these, you should be navigated to a new window. This is the new window, and from here there is an option called create property, and just below the create property there is an option called setup assistant. You have to click on it, and after clicking on it, there will be an option for tag installation. Click on it. After clicking on it, you have to choose a website. Okay, for Shopify website, you have to choose a web. Okay, here you have to put the domain of your website. I will simply copy my domain and add it here. Okay, just remove this and just add tsmgallery.com. okay, so you can also remove https.www and just add other part of your domain. Okay, so it's again asking my website name, so I will just add this, and after clicking on it, you should enable this option and click on create string. Okay, so now a stream has been created, and you have to scroll down, and there will be an option for Google site tag gtag.js. You have to open it, and from here you have to copy this code. Basically, this is the Google site tag or Google Analytics code that you have to add within your theme. Okay, to add it, you have to click on actions, and then you have to click on edit code. After clicking on it, you have to go to theme.liquid file, and you have to add this code just below the head section. Okay, after adding this code, you can hit the save button, Okay, so now the Google Analytics, it has been integrated, and after some time it will show that the Google Analytics is integrated and you are able to track your website data. Thanks for watching. This is a quick tutorial. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thanks for watching.